Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy. I'm one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. Today I'm bringing you a comparison video between two styles by the same brand. So what I'm wearing here is Davina by Rene of Paris Orchid Collection in the color Raspberry Iced R color. And here is by Rene of Paris Alexander Couture Collection River and the color Chocolate Frost R. Now obviously I'm not comparing these colors, they are different. However, I'm comparing the style. So these were self-purchases by myself. I got these at wigstudio1.com. So down below is going to be a link to River and to Davina down below. Now, both of these are brand new styles to Wig Studio One, to Rene of Paris. And when I saw them, I said, they could be kind of similar. There are some features to them that I think Davina is a grown out River. So I wanted to showcase these to you. They have some similar features, but yet they're very different in price point. River is a little bit more higher of a price point than Davina. And I wanted to kind of compare them for you so that if you're looking at these two wigs and you're trying to shop what might be best for you or color choices, you can see a comparison of how they relate and how they're different. So Davina has an extended lace front, and then she goes into a monofilament part. So you'll see there's a connection piece when I show you inside the cap. So that is where it goes from lace to monofilament. Done really great. I was able to find a little bit more of a natural part there. I would probably pluck this a little bit or apply some concealer and some foundation on the underside. As far as density goes, I would say this is a medium density, the amount of hair. There is a little bit of permatease in this back section here. For fit, I have a little bit of room here. Now I am a 21.75 inch head. My front to back measurement is a 13.5 and my ear to ear is about a 13 as well. So sometimes I can have a little bit of room here, not all the time, but I do feel a little room here in this piece. The ear tabs have no permatease. The ear tabs are really nice and comfortable. Now this wig is a great ear tuck, and so is the River. I'll show that to you. They did a great job on this lace front, especially with those dark knots. Just a really great job. This raspberry iced tea color, I will say this, I was hoping there would be a little bit more blonde to the color, but it's just a few strands here of that lighter color on this piece. She kind of has like an A-line down. And when I do the spins, I'll kind of do the measurements for you guys of the differences between Davina and River. So, but it's kind of like a grown out A-line, which is why I feel that the Davina is a grown out River. Now let me show you the inside of the cap quickly for you, and then we'll look at River. Again, that extended lace front, the connection point from the lace front to the monofilament top, velvet felt ear tabs, no splicing on those ear tabs. There is a little bit of splicing down here on that curve. No extended nape, Velcro adjusters, very, very minimal permatease. Okay, so about right here down, I do start to see some permatease on those wefts. On these wefts up here, there's no permatease. And I do not feel any permatease in this section either. Now let's go ahead and look at River. I'll show you inside the cap on this one first. This does not have an extended lace front, and it has a thinner lace part than we see in Davina, so not as wide. On the ear tabs, we have a velvet felt ear tab, and we have some splicing in that, and that really helps with making it look natural and laying natural from that ear tab. We have an extended nape with the Velcro adjusters. No permatease on this nape section. And when I look at the wefts, I can see that there is some permatease in between this section here of the wefts. So there is some permatease on these sections of the wefts, but not near the nape. and not nearly like in the crown. If there is, it's very, very, very minimal. This color is the Chocolate Frost R color. Love this color. Obviously, this is going to be a cooler color than the Raspberry Ice, and is known for having those cool blonde highlights. You just use your ear tabs to adjust that. Has the metal stay adjusters and those ear tabs. Now I've already parted this wig, and you can use some water. What I always say is use your wide tooth comb and then I just use a little bit of water and spritz that. So as you can see, River does have the longer in the front than the back, but she is shorter than Davina. And when I give you the measurements, you'll see that. So just a couple inches in the front, the nape is longer and the sides are longer. So it's like a grown out a little bit for Davina. We also get a little bit shorter of a piece kind of here on River, like a side swept, long grown out bang, which I love. This would look really cute to just pull this up and get off your neck. You can definitely do that with this style. I would pull down some little baby hairs. And you can do that on either one of these styles. This style, as well as Davina, is a good ear tuck. So what did you think of these two styles, Davina and River? They are similar and yet different. As you can see, Davina is just a little bit longer, has that A-line, maybe even a little bit longer in the front pieces, but definitely a grown out River. And that's immediately what I saw in these pieces. Davina even has that side swept bang long measurement, where that's even grown out. So it kind of looks like that side swept grew out a little bit as well. We'd like to hear your thoughts of these two styles. Which one are you going to try? Have you tried either one of these new styles? Down below again is links to both River and Davina. As you can see, these are just straight out of the box. So I haven't even taken the tags off and wanted to show them to you out of the box and how you can wear these pieces. We'd love to connect with you. Again, my name is Wiggin' with Christy. Down below is a link to my YouTube channel, and I'm also on Instagram underneath Wiggin' with Christy. We hope you have a great day. Bye.